Good morning. Good morning, humans. It is morning.
There's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line. Try a different lipstick on.
I usually have exactly an hour before I have to leave for work, but I only have 15 minutes today because I took longer to get pretty because it's 4th of July. You gotta look good for America, right? Right? Yeah. I'm gonna kill some time on the interwebs, and I don't know. What else? What else I shall get into? Because I'm gonna be at work most of the day. I don't want to be at work. Also, while you guys are watching this, I will probably be watching the new Sailor Moon series. I kind of want to get up at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning because it's supposed to be on Hulu by then. And just sit and watch like I did when it first came out. Like, which is funny now that I think about it, because it was I'm trying to think, it was a Saturday morning at 6 o'clock when I first saw it, so it's just poetic that I do it that way. So I might get up really early. I might set my alarm a little earlier just so I can see it. I'm a dork. I know. You don't need to tell me. I already know.
I have recovered from my depression. I have now moved back into my bed where my fans are blowing on me. Of course, I have left the other room because there are tulip-pated birds in the window and they will not shut the hell up. Therefore, I will require peace and quiet in my bed. I'm gonna take your eyes out tonight. I hope you realize that. Yes. Yes.
Hello, I have returned from work. I tried to record this a second ago and somehow one of my buttons got pushed. I've got to be careful. I got my red, my white, my blue on. USA and up. Yeah. I'm just chilling. Gonna have dinner here soon. Maybe catch some fireworks later. I don't know. Not catch, literally catch. That would be bad. Do not literally catch fireworks, kids. Only let responsible adults play with the fireworks. I have to repaint my nails. They're not fireworky like they were. My toes are. Just not my fingernails. Also, I think I'm gonna slip those shoes on. I don't know what else. Less than 15 and a half hours? Wait, no. 13 and a half hours, and it's Sailor Moon time! Oh my god. Who's excited? I'm excited. You'll get my reaction tomorrow because I'm going to watch it. I'm going to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning to watch Sailor Moon. I will. So will. If I remember to wake up. Yes. They're letting off fireworks. And evidently I need to hold my cat. Cause I'm not listening. Really? I'm not listening.
No, she didn't hear me, Bray.
Sounds like popcorn popping. It sounds like popcorn popping. That's what fireworks sound like. No, I didn't go outside and see them. Take you guys to see them. Ooh. I guess I'm at the age where fireworks don't impress me anymore. I don't know. My cat is fine. He doesn't really like loud noises. Usually he just goes and hides somewhere. I'm watching a thing on America Declassified. That's what it's called on Travel Channel. And reading some fan fiction. I should go to bed soon so I can get up early to watch Sailor Moon. Dork, I know. And I really want a cup of tea. Like a cup of hot tea. My head's hurting me. I could use it. Yeah, I could. Do I want to go and get it is the question. It is time for bed. I have headache. I was going to drink tea and that did not happen because it's too late at night for me to drink tea. So I go to bed. I see you in the morning and give reaction to Sailor Moon. I hope you guys had a good day. I had a good day and I'll see you tomorrow.